Hello everyone and welcome to another Meta Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to switch from Advantage Plus to manual targeting in Meta Ads. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So let's say we are going to create a new campaign. Very important note, you cannot switch from Advantage Plus to manual targeting when the campaign is already live. You need to do that before you start the campaign. So let's say we're going to start a new campaign, and this is when we can switch actually from Advantage Plus to manual targeting. Here you can select manual campaign setup. Don't go with the recommended settings because you won't be able to change basically from Advantage Plus to manual targeting. So when you create the campaign, it is very important, whatever the objective, to select manual setup, and then we're going to click continue. Now, as we already know, the targeting comes under the ad set level. So we're going to go to the ad set level. Even though we selected manual campaign setup, even though we did that, we are going to fall by definition under Advantage Plus. So we will need to switch. How are we going to do this? We're going to scroll down and we're going to find Advantage Plus audience. We want to switch from Advantage Plus audience to manual targeting. So what we're going to do is we're going to say switch to original audience options here. So we're going to click switch to original audience options. Here we're going to say further limit the reach of the ads. We are going to continue here, and now we are back to manual targeting. So one more time, what we need to do, let's actually take things from the beginning. We select a new campaign, whatever the objective we select, we need to go with manual campaign setup. So this time we're going to select sales, for example. We need to select manual, and then from there we go to the ad set level. Once we go to the ad set level, we're going to scroll down, and when we scroll down, we are going to find the option with the targeting. So it's going to be under audience here, and in this case, we're going to say I need a specific audience. You can see that the interface is changing, but in order to switch from Advantage Plus to manual, you always need to go to the ad set level. You always need to scroll down and find the audience criteria. And in this case, we're going to click I need a specific audience. Again, we're going to say switch to a specific audience. We're going to continue here. And now we are back to manual targeting. So depending on the campaign objective, the interface may slightly change, but the logic is the same. We start a new campaign. We go to the ad set level. We go to the targeting criteria. There is definitely going to be an option to switch. Then we need to click switch. We need to confirm our choice, either further narrow the reach of the ads, or I want to switch to a specific audience, and that's how we can switch back to manual targeting. That's it. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.